Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
D-Fense NXT is a powerful aerosol insecticide that's formulated with 3 active ingredients to eliminate and prevent pest infestations with 3 modes of action. This product contains deltamethrin, a powerful insecticide with a quick knockdown, and 2 IGRs that, when combined, create a synergistic effect that ensures total control of bedbugs, cockroaches, including German and American roaches, fleas, and many more labeled pests. D-Fense NXT has a broad label that allows it to be used for crack and crevice or surface treatments, indoors or outdoors, and it's also safe to use in food preparation and storage areas. It can even be used to treat mattresses and box springs, including the tufts, folds, and edges, making it extremely effective for bedbug control. While D-Fense NXT can be used for surface, crack, and crevice applications, it cannot be used as a space spray. Flying insects like flies or mosquitoes can potentially bypass applications completely unless they land on treated areas to rest. If you're looking for a product that can provide a quick knockdown for flying pests, check out Pyrite Aerosol. Pyrite is a powerful botanical insecticide made with pyrethrins and PBO. This product can be used as a space spray application to treat indoor and outdoor areas for flies, gnats, mosquitoes, and pantry moths. It can also be used as a flushing agent to treat bed bugs hiding deep in cracks and crevices. D-Fense NXT comes ready to use in a pressurized can with fixed concentrations for its active ingredients. While this is great for ease of use, there's no way of gaining higher or lower concentrations of product for a wider variety of applications. For a product with more user control, check out Flex 1010 Insecticide Concentrate. Flex 1010 is labeled to treat many of the same pests that D-Fense NXT is labeled to treat, like bed bugs, cockroaches, ants, termites, and wasps. However, this product comes in a liquid concentrate that can be mixed with water to get various concentrations. Before using D-Fense NXT, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. D-Fense NXT comes ready to use as a pressurized aerosol and requires no additional parts or mixing. Simply adjust the can's actuator to accommodate either a surface or crack and crevice treatment, and shake the can well. For general surface and spot treatments, make sure the injection tube points down and clips into the actuator so the broad spray orifice correctly points out. For crack and crevice treatments, unclip and lift the tube so that it points outward. Be sure to read the product's label printed on the can for specific directions regarding different applications. D-Fense NXT can be sprayed to eliminate pests on contact, but can also be used for residual control to prevent potential outbreaks or keep infestations from spreading. For general surface applications, hold the can at least 12 inches away from your target and spray at a rate of 100 square feet per 10 seconds of spray. For spot applications, spray at a rate of 2 square feet per second. For crack and crevice applications, place the injector tube into the crack, crevice, or other small void, and spray at a rate of 3 linear feet per second, spraying in 1-second bursts. The aerosol can is made with a 360-degree valve, meaning it can spray even when it's held upside down, just as it would held upright. D-Fense NXT can be sprayed in pantries, onto mattresses, on furniture, over carpets, around plumbing, behind and underneath large kitchen appliances, and in other cracks, crevices, or voids you may find in or outside of your structure. There is a slight odor after application, but it dissipates quickly. Keep children and pets away from treated areas until the product dries. When sprayed directly onto pests, D-Fense NXT works immediately to knock down and kill targeted pests. Insects like bed bugs or cockroaches that come in contact with the product, either directly or through its residual, will be affected by the insect growth regulators, or IGRs, present in the product. The combination of novaluron and pyroproxyfen create a synergistic effect. Deltamethrin is a sodium channel modulator, novaluron is a chitine synthesis inhibitor, and pyroproxyfen is a juvenile hormone analog. These 3 ingredients together create lethal physiological mutations in living insects and prevent egg laying and egg hatching, breaking several phases of the pest life cycle and ensuring complete control. Under normal conditions, D-Fense NXT leaves a residual effect that can last for up to 180 days, so we recommend you make reapplications of this product every 6 months for continued control of targeted pests. Shop for D-Fense NXT on our site or stop by any solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with treatment methods that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon on the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.